The reason I want to cook banana bread today is because I totally forgot I still have bananas at home. They are super soft now, so I thought, why not make a banana bread? And this is the first time I try to make it. I don't have a lot of tools, so I just use whatever I have. Okay, now add 3/4 cup of sugar. I don't have white sugar at this moment, so I will just use brown sugar. Brown sugar is less sweet. I don't like bread that's too sweet. 1 large egg should be enough. I add an extra one because I like eggs in my bread. Next is butter. Here I used 1/3 cup of melted butter. I heat it up in microwave. And let's not waste any butter. It's okay if you don't have an electric mixer. It didn't take me long. Pour 1/3 cup of milk and mix well. Now it's time to add flour. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. If you have vanilla extract at home, add a little bit to it. If not, it's no big deal. I happen to have some pecan at home that I can never finish, so I chop it up into small pieces. You can add whatever you have at home, like walnut, flaxseed, just make it more healthy. This is a pecan that I used. Now it's time to pour into the baking pan. I don't have a 9x5 pan, so I will just use this one. It turns out just fine. Now you can probably tell that I'm not a person who follows the recipe well. Okay, preheat the oven to 350 and bake it for 1 hour. Dong, 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 dong. It looks like chocolate bread. I think it's because I used brown sugar. Nevertheless, it tastes really good and not so sweet. And with my favorite matcha green tea latte. Parfait.